A CNC machine's setup before production requires meticulous care and can be costly if mistakes are made or if too much time has overlapped for what was initially planned. Left forgotten, they can cost manufacturers in available time, money, quality, and performance. If setup is taking longer than expected, you are underquoting jobs and losing money. If setup takes less time than expected, then you are overquoting and may not be competitive to win future jobs with that customer. The Scytec DataXchange machine monitoring platform is one thing manufacturers can consistently rely on. Scytec DataXchange can help you measure your exact time for setup and clearly identify in reports, charts, and real-time dashboards when setup has exceeded the expected standard time. DataXchange, unlike other machine monitoring platforms, is perfect for establishing a baseline standard for setup times and will automatically put a machine status into an unplanned downtime from a planned setup status when a machine has exceeded its ideal setup time, ensuring manufacturers are provided with the most accurate utilization and OEE percentage. Scytec DataXchange allows necessary personnel to enter specific reasons for extended machine setup from the Scytec DataXchange Operator Data Interface, ODI. Along with defining ideal setup times from the get-go, DataXchange enables manufacturers to define their ideal cycle and operation times. Part numbers and work orders can be uploaded and tracked inside the intuitive DataXchange machine monitoring platform, allowing the setup to be associated to the part number and the job for reporting and analytic purposes. Whatever you're manufacturing, Scytec DataXchange has a plethora of uses in modern manufacturing and integrates with CG Tech Vericut for the most accurate digital twins on your shop floor. Evolve your shop floor with Scytec DataXchange. For more information and to see a demonstration, please visit scytec.com.